Today we are going to make the simplest cheese that you can make with goat's milk, or you can use cow milk as well. Welcome to Art and Brie. Today we are going to make the simplest cheese that you can make with goat's milk, or you can use cow milk as well. This cheese is called Queso Fresco, and technically you only need 2 ingredients. I'm gonna add a few more in and I'll explain that as I go, but really guys, 2 ingredients, that's all you need. Milk and some kind of acid, vinegar or lemon juice. I would use vinegar if that's all you have, but today I'm gonna use both because I like the flavor of the lemon juice. All right, here's what you're gonna need to make Queso Fresco my way. Obviously you're gonna need milk and vinegar, and really that's all you need. I'm gonna add lemon juice, some wild onions that my kids picked me, and some cheese salt. As far as equipment goes, you don't need any special equipment except a cheesecloth. Otherwise, just have a strainer, a bowl, and a nice stainless steel cook pot, and a stainless steel spoon. You have to use stainless steel instruments and a stainless steel pot. Otherwise, if you use aluminum or some other material, your curds will not curdle correctly. I'm just gonna make a small batch of cheese today. So this is 1 quart of goat's milk. If you wanna do more than that, you can. You just add up the ingredients accordingly. Go ahead and put your stove on a medium temperature. I forgot to mention that you're going to need a thermometer. You can have a fancy digital thermometer. I just use a meat thermometer. It works just fine. You are going to want to get this milk up to 180 degrees, and you're going to want to make sure you're not scalding it while you're getting it there. So you're going to stir frequently and watch closely. Okay, it's going to be hard for me to show you, but my thermometer is at 180. The next step, you just take it off the heat. For 1 quart of milk, you're gonna add 1/4 cup of vinegar. I actually added a little lemon juice to my vinegar because I like the flavor of the lemon in the cheese. Pour that in and stir it up and watch the cheese begin to form before your eyes. Ooh, how beautiful. Look at how beautiful that is. Now, you can let this sit for 10 seconds or you can let this sit for hours. I like to let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, now that you're ready to strain your cheese out, let me just show you the setup I have. I have a stainless steel bowl with a stainless steel strainer and then my cheesecloth on top. I guess technically you don't need the strainer, but I feel like it provides support for my cheesecloth. Go ahead and pour all the delicious curds and whey into your cheesecloth. Okay, at this point, you have a couple of options. You can carefully knot the corners of your cheesecloth together, and then you can hang it from somewhere like this if you have a counter underneath it, which I do. If you don't have anywhere to hang your cheese, no worries, because all you have to do is pull it up gently by the corners, and then go ahead and squeeze the extra whey out. Some people like this Queso Fresco cheese kind of dry and crumbly, and that's how it's intended to be. I like leaving a little bit of the whey in, or a little bit more of the whey in, and making it a little bit more moist. That actually makes it able to be more spreadable, like on a cracker or a piece of toast. So if you want to add salt, I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to add my wild onions. And now we have perfect Queso Fresco. Now, you are going to have more whey from the milk left over than you are going to know what to do with. And I have a video, check it out here or down here or at the end of this video, that tells you 10 things to do with all that whey. Don't throw it out. It is super healthy for you. So check out that video if you have no idea what to do with all that leftover whey. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoy making this cheese for your family, and I also hope you enjoy eating it. See you in tomorrow's video.